What's this? Give it back to me.
We have some nice tangerine.
Don't do that. Take it from Mama slowly. Here. Slowly. So thank you, Mama. See. Well, he definitely comes the chocolate and pass it.
Hello.
Dis bonjour, say hello. Oh, one milk. Cross it out.
Fish and shrimp. Fish beef.
Minced beef, cross it out too. Hi friends, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. We are starting the vlog today at the supermarket. Look at me see in our trolley. Sarah, say hello, Faves. Say hello.
Hello.
Alright, let's go. In a busy day, but we're starting off today at the supermarket, so we're here doing some shopping until one toilet cleaner, until Papa come and pick us up. So of course my boy have the list as usual, helping Mama navigate through the store to make things a little bit easier for the family. So that's what we're up to right now. How are you guys doing? How's your day going? Floor cleaner. The floor cleaner. It should be close by toilet cleaner. Sit here. First, let me walk in the sale section to see if there's anything that I want. Yeah.
Oh, it's a good thing.
Cross it. I love a good sale. Guys, I always come to the sale section. Whenever I come to the supermarket, I love a good sale, you know. You know my dream as a kid growing up in Jamaica. Go Thai. My dream was to do couponing. But when I tell babe I want to do couponing, he's like, nope. No. You're not gonna do that. But I love the idea of couponing. Don't worry, we'll get it at the real snack section. Your husband was not having it about me doing couponing at all. He killed my couponing dream. They were like, hell to the no. No couponing for you, girl. But hopefully one day I can experience it. Even if it's just one time, no big deal. Anyway, you guys, they're navigating through the supermarket. So okay, which other one? Missy living our best life. You want this one?
Yes.
Okay, it's on sale. You can get two. Take up the chocolate biscuit for Sarah. Look at this parrot. So pretty. Look at the big one over there.
Can we buy it?
Oh wait. Look, yogurt. Yogurt for Sarah. Yay. Pink.
Yeah.
You want pink yogurt? You want the pink one?
Yeah, yogurt glass. I don't.
She said she want the pink one.
See one over there?
Look who's entered the chat. The husband. I said, look who's entered the chat. The husband has entered the chat. Babe has arrived and now I can take my mask off. Whew! Breathe through my lungs. Free my lungs. Free my lungs. Isn't it a relief when you guys take off your mask? Each time when you hear it, it's like you're, ooh, my God. All right. Hi guys, we are back from the supermarket, and now it's time for the supermarket haul. Hey, supermarket haul time. Pay attention this way, please.
We are about to do. I'm almost going to discover in the same time than you. I say almost because I wasn't in the supermarket because I had to pack, but I didn't pay attention. So let's see what is this. The shorty was alone to the supermarket.
Come, Sarah.
And by the way, Tyler and I were watching the Joe for the World Cup. Everybody interested in the World Cup, for the World Cup here. So we are the dance. The snack, they all look alike, but sometimes is one with bags is like single and sometimes it's all in one. So we want the single for the kids. So you have to pay very much attention to the packaging because it's just written pocket here. But the other one not written pocket is no.
It makes a huge difference.
And she always gets
fall
tricked.
in the trap. Because once I see it, I pick it up and I don't pay attention that it's a pack. And the reason why I always want the pack is because when you're traveling around with kids and we that always moving around, it's easier to just grab a pack and throw in our bag and how we go. If you pick up the one that you have to cut, then you have to cut it, you have to put it in a ziplock.
True.
Alright, let's go. What we have here? Sorry, what's this? Crepe.
It's coming from everywhere.
Crepe.
We have some juice. We're proud of ourselves. I mean, we still drink juice. I still do, but we also reduce the amount of. We get 1 in 1 every week,
And by the end of the week, some still left in the fridge.
Usually we get what, 2 or 3, just 1 in 1.
Petite galette, bonne maman. Tu es une bonne maman. Bonne maman. Regarde, je t'ai donné un cadeau. Il y a écrit bonne maman.
Alright.
She's the chicken queen. Yeah, they're making love. We have shrimp and carrots. Yeah, get a room, Tyler, get a room.
Anyway, continue, don't pay Papa no mind. What is this? Sarah, what is this? Sarah! Biscuit, smile. Smile face.
We have some flour.
Both biscuits for Tyler.
And we have some yogurt.
Happy birthday!
It's the first time we took this yogurt. Sarah chose
look.
it.
Sarah, what's this?
So let's see if she's gonna like
What's this?
Yogurt.
This is a cookie yogurt.
What's
Cookie
inside?
flavor. Cookie flavor. It's the first time I see that. Well, she chose it. Let's give
Sarah
her
only
what
chose
she
it
wants.
because it's pink and she been saying, Mama, pink yogurt, get the pink yogurt. Can you guys tell that my time of the year is here? Because I started seeing my cantaloupe in the supermarket, which means that I am going to start seeing melon soon, and I'm so excited. But in France, it is called melon.
Do you know that in Paris today was kinda snowing? I'm not joking. Last week they said it was so pretty, and today people said that it was snowing, or it is snowing in Paris. So in London it should have snowed.
It is snowing. I saw people in London
with our sunglasses.
Look, this is how I went out today. One little jacket. What you want?
So we have some fruits here. We have bananas.
What's this? Give it back to me.
We have some nice tangerine.
And
Don't do that. Take it from Mama slowly. Here. Slowly. Say thank you, Mama. What is this? What is this?
We have ginger.
Yes, and this one. What's this one? What's this one?
Chocolate.
You guys know that supermarket haul is always like chaos. Yes, celery. Yes. It's only 3 cents. Yes, alright, celery. Good job. Bravo. Yes.
Chocolate.
You want one?
Yeah.
Yes,
What we have
Mama.
here, we have some salad, we have some more yogurt, that's a must. Even if she took the other one, we never know with kids if they're gonna like it or not, so we have to play safe.
Oh yes, especially with Sarah.
Tyler is the same. We have yogurt for us, same thing.
But the good thing with our kids is that they're always willing to try, you know? No, it's not coffee, it's stevia.
We have some ham. Ham can be used for sandwich here.
Because it's used to make.
And we have corned beef. Our flavor corned beef this week is always easy to do when we don't have much time, feel like cooking. We can just get the corned beef. So
if you feel like cooking, don't want to be fast. Very good time. Look at Tyler. Look at Tyler. Finish time. You guys, one last bag, the frozen bag. Let me show you guys real quick. Come, because I can't do anything with it.
meatball, always a good idea for kids. You can't fail with meatball.
Wait.
We have the sweet potatoes fried.
This don't decide, Sarah, with
Always
paper scissors.
Oh, we have a pineapple frozen, probably for smoothie.
Yes.
We have a big pack of fries, always been with fries. It's the type of thing when you have a kid, it's a must have this if you want to be with, you don't want your kids always to bothering you up. We have strawberry, frozen strawberry. What we have? We have some fish. Oh, it's the new one that you took? Okay, we're gonna try this one. They all look alike when they're cut on the inside. They're frozen.
Courgette.
Zucchini and
green bean.
Green bean, okay.
So
It's time for...
When's the last time you won, Tyler?
Tyler, what we playing for today? We're not playing for no food because Papa gonna win.
Food.
Come, stand so Sarah can be in the shot. What we playing for?
The one that winner. The one that lose.
Wait, I know. The one that lose have to walk around with a fish on their back for the rest of today because today is April Fool's Day and in France it's called what's on that wheel where you stick fish on the person's back and they walk around. So whoever lose have to walk around with a fish on their back for the rest of the. Of course, come. I always play so that is not my counting.
You play
with play. Me and Sarah played. Come. I'm the rest.
She is the biggest
Connor.
power.
No, it's fun when Tyler and Papa.
Power.
Sarah waiting. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Papa, last time. Come on. Do this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Tyler. Come Tyler. Wait, you can finish. Wait. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Two Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh! Papa win! Hey, you! Tyler, run gun!
Tyler, run gun!
Tyler, sticky fish on come on, sticky fish! Sarah! That's sticky fish on Sarah! No, but now I'm gonna give Sarah the fish and Tyler to get the fish.
Tyler, you keep the fish if you want.
Ty, you have to keep the fish.
Okay. No,
that's in his clothes. Give it to me.
on the clothes.
And Papa.
Papa
I
have
don't
to wear the
like
fish.
when
Alright guys, the winner is me.
But he still have to wear the fish.
I'm the winner.
No, Tyler.
So now we're
Some
gonna
more practice.
pack up this, we're gonna eat and
chocolate.
Enjoy the bright sun outside.
Yeah.
See chocolate here.
Hello Tyler. Wagwan my youth. Can you tell me which day we are today?
1st of April.
And what's going on the 1st of April?
Look at it. Waffle
Poisson d'avril, so what happened on, what you supposed to do on Poisson d'avril?
We need to make fish, put scotch on it, and
Yes.
stick it
No, don't move.
on the back of people.
No, you need to go here because you're too close to me, so I can't see
On the
nothing.
back of people.
Okay. So you think it's cool?
Yes.
Oh, the fish was on your back. It just unstick. He's on the armchair. Look, he was on your back all along.
What you have to say for yourself? No, I didn't say that. You want a man box there to say job ball, but yeah, no.
So I don't turn up the volume to hear me. Turn on the volume. Why you unmute me? Press the up arrow.
You guys come and get him, please. Please, oh no, come and get this man. You guys are coming on to end today's vloggy vlog.
Try to speak when I do that.
Oh my god. You're a hot mess. You haven't been coughing all day, all evening, you know? Why, his faves in a lie?
Don't say that
Why not?
because I have caffeine in the afternoon.
Where? Since you got home?
Not really.
Exactly. So they trigger your cough? They tickle your throat?
No, it's when I don't talk, I
They
don't cough.
tickle your throat. Anyway, you guys, my babies are in bed. I am tired because my daughter woke up super early this morning and I did so much in the house today. I cleaned from top to bottom. I'm exhausted. Tired.
Alright. So tomorrow is the weekend. Well, it's the weekend right now. So we're gonna
Yes, it
enjoy, we're gonna
is.
have fun, we're gonna do a lot of things.
That's why I cleaned today because I'm not lifting a pin over Saturday and Sunday. The only pin I'm lifting is myself.
Probably it's a headache, yeah.
You've been having that headache since yesterday.
Mhm.
You need to take a tablet before bed.
Yeah.
No more chocolate.
Can you rub it for me?
No. Stop eating chocolate and your head will stop hurting you.
Okay.
This man love a chocolate. He can't say chocolate and pass it.
Jamaican chocolate.
Well, he definitely can't say chocolate and pass it. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fan bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.